Well, the most disappointing part here is the hollow end links. I did not expect the watch to come with a hollow end link. It's a real bummer here, but the rest of the watch seems pretty nice. The dome or slightly boxed sapphire crystal comes with a good amount of anti-reflective coating. We can see that coating play around with the light. Is a blue AR, and yeah, this is how the end links attach to the watch, and it's good that they actually put some Kapton protective tapes on the lugs when they were attaching the bracelet. But yep, that's a bit of a letdown here. The clasp, it's milled, but it's not there's not really a sense of high quality, even though it's a solid mill clasp, but the finishing and all that is not that great, to be honest. But I will have to spend a couple of months with the watch, and I will come back with a full review, and at the same time I will need to find out if those are screw links or they are just push pins, but I'm guessing they are push pins. Seems pretty solid bracelet for now, so just gonna put it on my wrist for a short while. I'm not gonna size it and everything. Okay, I'm gonna move the camera a little further. So this is how the watch sits on my 6-inch wrist. The size is perfect. The 36mm case diameter is really perfect for my small wrist, and it looks classy enough. Right, I guess I will have to play around with it for a month or two and come back with the full review. So in order not for you to miss out the full review video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell icon if you like. And you can also follow me on my Instagram at gfw_watch. And one last thing before we go, the strap is not a free strap. I decided to grab one of their short leather that hopefully it will play well with the watch. I think, yeah, with the vintage aesthetics of the watch and the vintage style leather strap, I believe it would play well with the watch, but we will have to see. And right off the bat, I can see that there is a little blemish on the leather. I'm not sure how, or will that go away or anything, but anyhow, I'm just gonna put it aside first. All right, thanks for watching. Bye bye.